Here we go. All right, my beautiful friends, here we are. It is Wednesday, January 15th, 2020. The opening bell went off 6 minutes ago, literally 6 minutes ago. Stocks opened with a triple-digit loss, and it's already getting bought back up. Why would the market start off with a loss? Well, number one, it appears that, and I hate to say this, I really do, that the United States is not getting the greatest deal that we have been promised from the president for how long? 2.5 years now? And I think this is very, very disturbing here. And now they're talking about phase 2 coming in micro stages. Have you heard of that? So apparently phase 2 is going to be an A, B, and C. You've got to be kidding. You've got to be... Do they make this stuff up as they go along? I think they do. So let's see. Phase 1 is going to be signed today, which was originally drafted in Mandarin or Chinese or whatever the hell it was, so we the people can't read it. Now phase 2 is going to come in an A, B, and C. I don't know. You tell me what you think about this. It's just too stupid in my opinion. And again, it appears that the United States is not getting anything that's enforceable with regard to this deal from China, and we're gonna get the shaft, I guarantee you. But again, the members of the administration, and no more so than the president, is gonna tell you that this is the best deal we've ever had. But the market doesn't seem to believe that. Again, it's the lies, the propaganda, the dog shit. It's gonna keep coming down the pike. All right, look. So what else did we find out? Target shares are plummeting. Retail sales are missing the mark. Our economy is in free freaking fall, period, people, period. And again, this means the Fed's got to prop it up. You know what they're doing to the yield curve? I show you every day. Look at the yield curve. Look what they're doing. They're buying the entire debt market in aggregate to keep rates suppressed so cash flows into the bubble stock market. It's a hyper bubble. It's freaking nuts. Metals are catching a bid right now. With regard to metals, I'm going to start exclusively referring to the spot price. I don't give a damn what the derivative is doing. It's fake anyway. So from now on, when I say metals, I'm referring to the spot price, the price at the moment that can be delivered at the moment. Spot. You got it? So spot price is higher. Cryptocurrencies are also on the way up. No surprise to any of you out here. People, if you never take a single thing away from my video blog, it should be what I've been explaining to you forever. Bet against this debt and become your own central bank. That's all. No, everything else is fluff. Believe me. You're a lion out here, you know what to do. It can't be easier. Talking about being a lion, I got so much feedback on my website, traderschoice.net. The new site is up. This is mobile friendly. Everyone seems to be loving this. It is missing the crude oil chart. It was pretty popular. But look, just go to the boom system. I know most of you follow USO. Just put in ticker USO. Let the boom system tell you what crude oil is going to do. I mean, the boom system up there, it's freaking been accurate as accurate can possibly be. If you've been following the boom system alone and trading with it, you've done exceedingly well. So just go put the ticker USO into the boom system. Try it now. Go to my website. There's a link in the description of this video. Play with it. And then there's a stock screener on there. There's the crypto stats. Just scroll through it all. And again, I'll talk more about this over the weekend. But anyway, this is where we are right now, people. Let me give you a live update. Let me open up my trading system. Stocks have now went positive. The Dow is up 62. Apple's back up. This is amazing. Oh, Lord, I tell you. Anyway, so the dips are going to get bought, and that's what you should be doing here too. The mechanism remains in place. A hyper-nuclear supernova Fed who has, not only do they have no choice, but they want to issue more debt. They have a man right now in the White House who is asking for more debt, who understands the game that the central banks are at the top of the pyramid and they're going to continue going higher. All he cares about is the stock market going higher. This is a mechanism, again, to issue more debt, the final solution of the world central banks. None of this debt is going to be forgiven. We are not going back to a gold standard, so get that delusion out of your head. Whoever's pushing it out here on YouTube is a shill. Tell them Greg Mannarino said so, a guy who understands these markets better than most people who live today. That's the truth. All right, with that said, you know what to do, people. You know how to play this market. I want us all to continue to win, and we're going to, because they can't make it easier, okay? Their mechanism is in place. They're going to play their game, and we are going to play ours, and we're going to win. Big time. This guy loves you. Please share the video. Thank you for all the feedback on my website. I did read the comments, and I'm happy that you're all satisfied with it. Anyway, with that said, see you later.